How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix SignalRGB not detecting your fans. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the fan that you are using is supported for SignalRGB. So you want to head over to SignalRGB-devices, and from here, click the fans or cooling. We have a list of the brands or model that we can go ahead and use for SignalRGB. So you just want to check out whether your specific model is available. From there, you also want to make sure that there are no other RGB softwares opened on your device. Basically, you have something like Armory Crate, Open RGB, and more. Just make sure to exit them all out on the system tray like this, leaving the SignalRGB open. The next thing that you want to do is to close out SignalRGB. And on your desktop, you then want to locate the SignalRGB shortcut, right click on it, and then click Show More option. And then you want to run this software as an administrator. From there, it will be able to detect your fan and you should be good to go. But generally, if your fan is supported on SignalRGB, it will automatically pair or connect after opening up the software. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.